Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. And if you're new to the channel and want to hit the subscribe button too, that would help me out immensely. Welcome back to another detailed video. Welcome back to the disaster detailing videos. Right in front of me, I have a Ram Limited 1500 5.7 Hemi from a good friend, and my God, is this thing filthy. So here, this thing is fucking filthy. Probably my top 3 in my disaster details I've done in the course of 2018 up to 2022. Not trying to put anybody on blast, you know, but my God. But nothing I can't handle. I've done significantly worse, so. Not stressing, honestly. I have the next day or two to complete this, so hopefully I can get this done in the course of say 8 to 10 hours. I'm not tripping either because this client of mine is paying fully for my California trip, so I am forever grateful. So I'm gonna make this truck one of my best detail works to date. So pretty much the exterior is going to be getting a 2-stage paint correction with a ceramic seal. I've done worse paint, and with black paint I can definitely bring back to life. And then, of course, the inside, I'm just going to clean it to the best of my ability. Again, it is super dirty in here. I feel like I need a shower right now, but nothing I cannot handle. Guys, 5.5 hours in, and I am finally done with the interior. A significant difference to what it once was. There was so much ash, dust, dirt, candy, bubble gum, bullets, blunt wraps. So much was just caked onto these seats. A lot of the leather is already damaged, but cleaned to the best of my and my machines and my microfiber towels and my chemicals ability. Very cleaned, all nice and conditioned. A lot of the stuff I went ahead and removed, especially in the center console here. Took this thing out. I took this mat out, deep cleaned it. In here as well, some weird stains. Got in these cup holders, took this stuff out. It was caked on with a bunch of weird stuff. Got the display all nice and cleaned up, sanitized. Got the carpets out. Everything is very nice and clean underneath the seat as well. Back seat, oh my gosh, was a nightmare. Again, got underneath the seats. Took this out and pressure washed it. Deep cleaned the leather rear seats. Lifted everything, got the carpets all nice and clean. All the cracks and crevices, especially this thing, like, oh my gosh. Should have, well, I know you guys saw it, but everything is nice and clean in here. Back of the seat's all good. This center console here, nice and cleaned up. Holy moly, like, I am already exhausted. All right, got the tent set up. Got some nice forecast going on, thank God. Time for 30 to 35 minutes of double washing, and then 6 to 8 hours of cutting and polishing. The Ram is a 2019, so the paint technology is still pretty good. Hoping I can get away with a couple passes with my one-step compound and my microfiber cutting pad. I mean, honestly, paint really isn't in bad shape. It's just really dirty from all the rain we've been having lately. So let's go ahead, wash, and decontaminate the paint. Bro. Dude, it just fucking came down with rain. Oh my gosh, dude, this was like the worst it's been all summer. My poor detail. Well, at least I can get the most important part done first. Front end, the cab, and then the bed I will honestly do tomorrow. But so far, so good. Double washed, decontaminated it, did some iron removal, and we are good. Just gonna drop the car real quick and then start the paint correction process. Good afternoon, everybody. It is the next day. I grinded on the Ram all the way almost until midnight last night. Woke up about 9:30 and then continued grinding out the truck, and it looks amazing. So the truck inside and out, we did a full super deep clean on the interior. Exterior really honestly wasn't that bad. There's just a lot of surface area to cover, which we just did a 2-stage paint correction and a ceramic coat. Took a very, very long time, but I'm incredibly stoked how well the truck came out. It looks amazing. Like I mentioned, the paint honestly wasn't that bad, but since he goes off-roading a lot, there are a lot of deep scratches in the paint. But black with the chrome trim, can't beat it. This thing is an absolute unit too. Maybe I can ask him if I can borrow it for California to tow with. But other than that, everybody, I am incredibly exhausted. I actually called out of work to finish this job, but it's all good. And now I might potentially head up to Phoenix to pick up a new motor for the Skyline. Yes, another motor. We'll see how it goes though, no promises. But again guys, thank you so much for watching the videos, making it to the end. And if you're new to the channel, anyone hit the subscribe button too, that helped me out immensely. And thank you for everything. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you next video. Take care.